Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video once again I'm talking about the Ankr coin. What's the current price of the Ankr coin, what's the price is occurring in the Ankr coin, and what is the important news of the Ankr coin. In this video I will show you friends, and in this video we also discuss the price changes occurring in the Ankr coin. So please keep watch, and if you are new on my channel, so please like this video and subscribe channel for more this kind of updates and news videos friends. Anyways friends, let's start the video. Now the current price of the Ankr is 0.14025 USD dollar is the current price of the Ankr. And if you look the price change occur in the Ankr coin, so absolutely the price change occur in the Ankr coin is going negative friends. The whole change occur in the Ankr coin is going negative. The last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, price changes occur in the Ankr coin is going negative. And what's the reason behind it, and when they again start pumping friends? Keep watch for more details. Let's see my friends the price chart of the Ankr coin for more details. Now that is the last 1 month price chart of the Ankr coin. As you can see here, now the Ankr coin is start falling down from the previous last absolutely 2 weeks. On 28 April the Ankr coin start pumping, and now it is time the 14 May, so 2 weeks from the previous 2 weeks the Ankr coin start falling down. What's the reason behind it, why the price of the Ankr coin is going fast down minute by minute, hour by hour? And friends, if you look the price change occur in the Ankr coin, so I think in the last hour they taken a jump, as you can see here this time. So absolutely, now I hope that they will give you good amount of profit in Ankr coin friends. Let's check it out. The price is occur in the Ankr coin in the last 1 month, negative 15.93%, positive is occur in the Ankr, and the highest price is 0.20976 USD dollar is the highest price of the Ankr friends. What's your prediction? Please tell me in the comment box. And kindly friends, once again I'm telling you, I request all of you that please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. And please, my personally suggestion, my personally recommendation for all of you is that please don't do this mistake and don't sell. It's time to hold friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.